Hello everyone, I am Samana from CSE department. So here we are gathered to share a case study on hospital appointment management system. So hospital appointment management system is a full-step web application designed to streamline the process of booking, tracking and managing the patient's appointments in hospitals and clinic. So traditionally, hospitals rely on manual appointments through phone calls or in-person visits, which leads to long waiting time and scheduling conflicts and poor patient experience. Next, Sadhana will continue the problem statement.
So moving on to problem statement, hospitals face several issues with manual or semi-digital appointment systems. Like patients must wait in a long queue to book an appointment, the lack of communication between patients and hospitals, and time-consuming manual notes or double booking or appointment conflicts. So to overcome this, we have come up with the objective to develop a full-stack oriented hospital appointment booking management system that can automate the scheduling appointments and improve efficiency and enhance the patient's experience.
So basic thing is we have to reduce our time. So time management
Into enhance the experience.
then repeated appointment. We have to avoid steps and it will reduce the space.
Without double booking.
So space and time management is the main thing of this. So it is.
Next, proposed solution. So the proposed solution is a web-based full-stack application. So patients to book and register on online appointments. Doctors can able to manage the availability and the appointments.
inpatient module, we can log in and register securely, and we can view the slots that are available on doctors. On doctors modules, we have able to see patients details to access the patient's data. In admins module, we can add or remove the department or any doctors which are not available, and then